Ever dreamed of packing your bags and jetting off to exotic lands without the hassle of visa paperwork? As a Cambodian traveler, you're in luck. Asia is brimming with hidden gems just a flight away, no visa required. From pristine beaches to ancient temples, these spots offer adventure, culture, and relaxation. Curious which one tops the list? Stick around till the end to uncover the ultimate must-visit. If you're loving this travel inspo, hit that subscribe button and let's wander together. Number 10. Vietnam. Vietnam is a vibrant country in Southeast Asia, sharing a border with Cambodia. It's famous for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious food. As a Cambodian, you can stay visa-free for up to 30 days. This makes it easy to hop over for a quick getaway. Start your journey in Hanoi, the bustling capital with ancient temples and French colonial architecture. Don't miss the chaotic streets filled with motorbikes and street vendors selling pho noodle soup. Head south to Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with emerald waters and towering limestone islands. Take a boat cruise to explore hidden caves and floating villages. For beach lovers, Phu Quoc Island offers white sands and crystal-clear seas perfect for snorkeling. History buffs should visit Ho Chi Minh City, formerly Saigon, to see the War Remnants Museum and Cu Chi tunnels. Try local dishes like banh mi sandwiches and fresh spring rolls. Travel tips. Fly direct from Phnom Penh to Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh in about 1 to 2 hours. Use budget airlines like Vietjet for cheap fares. Currency is Vietnamese dong. ATMs are everywhere. Respect local customs by dressing modestly at temples. Best time to visit, November to April for dry weather. With its mix of urban energy and natural beauty, Vietnam feels like an extension of home yet full of surprises. Whether hiking in Sapa's rice terraces or relaxing in Hoi An's lantern-lit old town, you'll create unforgettable memories without visa worries. Number 9. Thailand. Often called the Land of Smiles, is a top destination for Cambodians seeking fun and relaxation. Visa-free entry allows stays up to 60 days, giving plenty of time to explore. Bangkok, the capital, is a must-see with its grand palaces like the Emerald Buddha Temple and vibrant markets. Shop for souvenirs at Chatuchak Weekend Market or enjoy street food like pad thai and mango sticky rice. For beaches, head to Phuket or Koh Samui with turquoise waters and lively nightlife. Dive into coral reefs or relax under palm trees. Chiang Mai in the north offers cooler weather, elephant sanctuaries, and hill tribe villages. Join a cooking class to learn Thai recipes. Don't forget Ayutthaya's ancient ruins, similar to Angkor Wat. Adventure seekers can trek in national parks or zip line through jungles. Travel easily by bus or train from Cambodia's border. Flights from Siem Reap to Bangkok take just an hour. Use Thai baht, exchange money at airports. Be polite, bow when greeting. Avoid peak rainy season from July to October. Thailand's friendly people and diverse attractions make it ideal for families, couples, or solo travelers. From spa retreats to full moon parties, it's a playground waiting for you. Number 8. Singapore. Singapore is a modern city-state in Southeast Asia, known for its cleanliness, skyscrapers, and multicultural vibe. Cambodians enjoy visa-free access for 30 days. This tiny nation packs a punch with attractions like Marina Bay Sands, a hotel with an infinity pool overlooking the city. Visit Gardens by the Bay for futuristic super trees and flower domes. Sentosa Island has beaches, theme parks like Universal Studios, and adventure rides. Explore ethnic neighborhoods, Chinatown for dim sum, Little India for spices and temples, and Kampong Glam for Malay heritage. Try hawker center foods like chicken rice or chili crab, affordable and tasty. The zoo and night safari are great for families. Shop on Orchard Road for luxury brands or bargains. Travel tip. Fly direct from Phnom Penh in about 2 hours. Use MRT trains for easy getting around. Get an easy link card. Currency is Singapore dollar. English is widely spoken. Follow rules. No chewing gum or littering fines. Best months. February to April for mild weather. Singapore blends east and west, offering tech wonders like robot bars alongside green spaces. It's safe, efficient, and perfect for a short urban escape. Number 7. Philippines. The Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands in Southeast Asia, boasting beautiful beaches and warm hospitality. Visa-free for Cambodians up to 30 days. Manila, the capital, mixes Spanish colonial history with modern malls. See Intramuros' old forts and churches. For paradise, fly to Boracay with powdery white sands and clear waters for swimming or kite surfing. Palawan offers underground rivers in Puerto Princesa and coral reefs in El Nido. Chocolate Hills in Bohol are unique cone-shaped formations. Dive with sea turtles in Apo Reef or hike volcanoes like Mayon. Food highlights include adobo chicken and halo halo dessert. Festivals like Sinulog bring colorful parades. Travel by ferry between islands or cheap flights. Direct from Cambodia to Manila in 3 hours. Use Philippine peso. Haggle at markets. Respect elders and try local jeepneys for transport. Avoid typhoon season from June to November. With friendly locals and diverse nature, the Philippines feels welcoming. It's great for island hopping adventures or relaxing getaways. Number 6. Myanmar. Formerly Burma, is a mystical land in Southeast Asia with golden pagodas and serene landscapes. Cambodians can enter visa-free for 14 days. Yangon, the largest city, features Shwedagon Pagoda, a glittering stupa over 2,500 years old. Wander colonial buildings and bustling markets. Bagan's Plain has thousands of ancient temples. Rent a bike or hot air balloon for views. Inle Lake offers floating villages, leg-rowing fishermen, and gardens on water. Mandalay has royal palaces and hilltop monasteries. Trek to hill stations like Pian U Lwin for cooler air. Try mohinga noodle soup and tea leaf salad. Border crossings from Thailand are easy, or fly to Yangon from Phnom Penh in 2 to 3 hours. Use Myanmar Kyat. ATMs limited in rural areas. Dress conservatively at religious sites. Best time, November to February for dry weather. Myanmar's untouched beauty and Buddhist culture provide peaceful escapes. Despite past challenges, it's opening up for authentic experiences. Number 5. Malaysia. Malaysia is a diverse nation in Southeast Asia, blending Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures. Visa-free stays for Cambodians up to 30 days. Kuala Lumpur's iconic Petronas Twin Towers light up the skyline. Visit the observation deck. Nearby, Batu Caves have colorful Hindu shrines and monkeys. Penang Island is a food haven with street eats like nasi lemak and char kway teow. Langkawi offers duty-free shopping, cable cars, and beaches. Borneo side features rainforests in Sabah and Sarawak. Spot orangutans in Sepalok or climb Mount Kinabalu. Cameron Highlands provide tea plantations and strawberry farms. Historic Malacca has Portuguese ruins. Travel tip: budget flights from Cambodia to KL in 2 hours. Use Malaysian ringgit. Grab app for taxis. Halal food is common. Try multicultural feasts. Avoid monsoon from November to March on East Coast. Malaysia's mix of cities, nature, and beaches suits all travelers. It's affordable, safe, and full of flavors. Number 4. Laos. Laos is a landlocked gem in Southeast Asia, known for its laid-back vibe and natural beauty. Cambodians enjoy visa-free access for 30 days. Vientiane, the capital, has French-influenced architecture and Mekong River sunsets. Visit Patuxai Arch and Golden That Luang Stupa. Luang Prabang, a UNESCO town, features waterfalls like Quang Si for swimming and night markets. Boat along the Mekong to Pak U Caves filled with Buddha statues. Vang Vieng offers tubing on rivers and hot air balloons over karst mountains. Southern Siphandon has 4,000 islands for dolphin spotting. Try sticky rice and lap meat salad. Cross borders easily from Cambodia or fly to Vientiane in 1 hour. Use Lao Kip, exchange at borders. Respect monks. Women shouldn't touch them. Best season, November to April. Laos' slow pace and friendly people make it ideal for unwinding. Explore caves, trek hills, or just relax by rivers. Number 3. Iran. In Western Asia is a cradle of ancient civilizations with stunning architecture and hospitality. Surprisingly, Cambodians can visit visa-free for 15 days. Tehran, the capital, buzzes with bazaars and modern cafes. See Golestan Palace's intricate tiles. Isfahan's Imam Square is a UNESCO marvel with mosques and bridges. Persepolis ruins date back 2,500 years. Walk among Persian Empire relics. Shiraz offers poets' tombs and pink mosques. Yazd has wind towers and Zoroastrian fire temples. Desert adventures include camel rides in Dasht-e-Kavir, taste kebabs, saffron rice, and pistachios. Fly from Cambodia via connections in about 10 hours. Use Iranian rial. Cards may not work. Bring cash. Women wear headscarves. Respect Islamic customs. Best time, spring, March-May, for mild weather. Iran's rich history and warm locals offer unique cultural immersion. From carpets to poetry, it's a timeless journey. Number 2. Indonesia. The world's largest archipelago spans thousands of islands with diverse cultures. Visa-free for Cambodians up to 30 days. Jakarta, the capital, mixes skyscrapers and Dutch colonial sites. Bali is paradise with rice terraces, volcanoes like Mount Batur, and beaches for surfing. Ubud offers art galleries and monkey forests. Java has Borobudur, the massive Buddhist temple, and Prambanan Hindu complex. Sumatra's Lake Toba is a volcanic crater for boating. Komodo Island hosts dragons, take safaris. Lombok provides quieter beaches than Bali. Try nasi goreng fried rice and satay skewers. Direct flights from Phnom Penh to Jakarta or Bali in 4 hours. Use Indonesian rupiah. Bargain at markets. Respect mosque etiquette. Avoid rainy season from November to March. Indonesia's variety from jungles to cities suits adventurers and relaxers. It's affordable and spiritually enriching. Number 1. Brunei. A small sultanate on Borneo Island, is known for its wealth, mosques, and rainforests. Topping our list, Cambodians can stay visa-free for 14 days. Bandar Seri Begawan, the capital, features the stunning Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque with golden domes. Visit Istana Nurul Iman, the world's largest palace. Kampong Air is a water village on stilts. Boat tours show local life. Ulu Temburong National Park offers canopy walks and waterfalls. Proboscis monkeys swing in mangroves. Oil museums highlight the economy. Taste Amboyat sticky sago and fresh seafood. Fly direct from Cambodia in about 3 hours. Use Brunei dollar, same as Singapore's. No alcohol sales. Follow conservative dress. Best months, January to April. Brunei's peace and luxury provide a regal escape. It's clean, safe, and surprisingly adventurous. There you have it, the top 10 visa-free Asian spots for Cambodians in 2025. Ready to book? Like this article, subscribe for more travel tips, and thanks for watching. Safe journeys.